Hello everyone, a new video is here and this time I've decided to do something different. A no-edit raw video of my attempt to repair an Asus TUF curved gaming monitor. The video includes the entire process of disassembling the monitor. Like all new devices, it's made of hard plastic with no screws, just plastic clips holding it together. It's very practical if you never plan to disassemble it for repairs. Manufacturers today don't consider that someone might want to fix their device. Instead, everything is made with the idea of using it until it stops working, then buying a new one. However, in my country, people's purchasing power isn't that great, so of course they'll try to repair it if possible. This monitor belongs to a person who bought it through an online ad. According to him, it worked for about an hour and then stopped. As you can see throughout the video, it's not easy to disassemble. The plastics are stiff and hard to separate at the seams, but with some effort it can be done. The entire video is unedited raw footage, but sped up because who would want to watch my struggle for 12 minutes in real time? Check out this bizarre example of a scam via online ads. This monitor appears to have been either submerged in water or soaked in some kind of sugary drink. You can see this from 2 short video clips here, also unedited, and 2 photos I used to show the customer what happened. The customer decided against the repair and asked me to put everything back together so he could try to claim a refund from the seller, as it was bought from a local website similar to eBay. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you prefer raw videos over edited versions. See you soon with a new video. Until then, like, follow, and stay creative.